Now that we know our way around Calendar a bit, let's start adding events. We'll start by going to the big Create button in the upper left-hand corner. You'll see this medium-sized window open up that has a lot of information you can add. A quicker way to do it is simply to go to the calendar and click once on the day you'd like the event to occur. The same window will open. Type in the name of the event. Notice that you can make this a full day event. You can change the day it begins and the day it ends. If this is not an all day event, you can change the time by simply clicking in these fields. Coordinating your time nationwide can be tricky, so you can always check the time zone to make sure your start and end time are appropriate for folks in other parts of the country. You can allow events to repeat in a number of different ways. Daily, it will repeat every day, including on weekends. You can also choose weeklies on that same day you've selected, once a year, once a month, every weekday. And once you've established that, take a look at what you can do with custom. Here you can decide if you want it to repeat for 3 weeks, once every 3 weeks. You can choose the days you want it to repeat on. You can decide when it will uh, stop or stop after a certain number of occurrences on your calendar. In this case, the event would stop after 15 occurrences. If preferred, you can also set an end date instead. You can also invite people to this event, and this will add to their Google Calendar. If you use Google Meet, you can add a video conference link to the event. You can also add a physical location. You can type in a description or you can search for Google Maps location. Next is the event description. Now this can be a lot more than just what the event is about. Let's start with a little sample text. Notice that you can use a few formatting tools here. You can add a list of things they need to bring or do before or during the activity. Maybe these are things you need to remember to do during the meeting. That can be a bulleted list or a numbered list. You can also add hyperlinks to other resources. You can add text, highlight it, and click the Insert Link. You can edit that text if you need to, then type in or copy and paste the website that you'd like folks to use. The last button will remove all formatting and return things to their original form. Last, you can insert items from your Google Drive that you have created that have been shared with you, or you can upload files to attach to your uh, calendar event. Once again, notice that you can change the event color. You can tell folks if you're going to be busy or free at that time. You can change individual items to be private if you don't want other people to see what those events actually are. And you can add reminders to give yourself a little notification that an event is going to be occurring soon.